How to get out of debt. 1. Assess your debt. Start by listing all your debts, including the balance, interest rates, and minimum payments for each. This gives you a clear picture of what you owe. 2. Set a budget. Track your monthly income and expenses to see where your money goes. Prioritize essential expenses and identify areas where you can cut back to free up more cash for debt repayment. 3. Choose a repayment strategy. 2 common strategies work well. Debt snowball. Focus on paying off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on others. This can build momentum and keep you motivated. Debt avalanche. Target the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you the most money in interest over time. 4. Reduce interest rates. Consider refinancing high-interest loans or transferring credit card balances to a lower-rate card if possible. You can also negotiate with lenders to lower interest rates or consolidate multiple debts into one loan with a lower rate. 5. Increase your income. Boosting your income through a side job, selling in used items, or asking for a raise can help you pay off debt faster. Apply any extra earnings directly to your debt. 6. Avoid new debt. Limit credit card usage, avoid new loans, and focus on using cash or debit for purchases until you're debt-free. 7. Stay consistent and track progress. Regularly review your budget and repayment plan to stay on track.